Hey guys, Xiaomi just rolled out Miui version 10.0.4.0 stable update for Redmi Note 5 Pro. The update size is 303 MB. The Android security patch has been updated to October 1st, 2018. Some issues in lock screen has been fixed. Color rendering issues in camera has also been fixed. Let's see the rest of the update. The Android security patch has been updated to October 1st, 2018. Before updating, I had 42.15 GB available, and after updating, I have 42.23 GB available. It's not such a big difference. In this update, the battery issues is supposed to be solved. The animation seems to be smooth. Now let's take a look at the Geekbench score. The Redmi Note 5 Pro scores 1335 single core score and 4888 multi-core score. This is my initial impressions on MIUI version 10.0.4.0 for Redmi Note 5 Pro. The full review will be uploaded soon. Please subscribe.